Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY micro muff with my Canon G7x Mark II, and of course the ingredients. No, we're not going to cook. Of course, the material is most and foremost my Canon G7x Mark II, glue, the 444 frame. I cut off this one and some what you call this, and scissor, of course, scissor. So I'm going to take one this out and we're going to resize. I hope I don't make this terrible thing. So put it in a proper size so that it won't go to the flash, so you can still open the flash there. Yeah.
So let's cut out.
Ooh, let's see. So it should be like this. Yeah, cut a little bit more. You will actually cover the name here, PowerShell G7x, but I think it doesn't matter. Just make it a hole here to. Oh, I think I need to use the. Let's cut it in the middle here so that the microphone have like an opening there. Yeah, it's so hot. I know I'm hot. I'm sexy and I know it. Ah. So I cover where is the microphone here? Is the one dot here or there's the three dot here? I think it's the three dot here. So if I put it like this, you see it? I can still open it. The microphone is still there. So what we're gonna do now is just measure here. I think I just put here to make sure that the camera, yeah. I'm shaking because I'm scared I will damage my camera. Oh my god, I spend a lot of money on this camera. Okay, put it here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's here. This is my hairy friend. Let's cut this the other side to make it even. Actually, oh my god, I messed up. And then cut the excess parts. Yeah, I cut the excess parts, and I think we just glue it here. Yeah, we just glue it here. Nothing much actually. Yes, like this, and then let's wait until it dries and we can attach it there and we're set. Easy, right? Yeah. I'm going to put this one here on top. Let's try on. Switch on the flash. Oops! It didn't touch. So it's going to be like this one now. Ta-da! This is the final product. I already have this hairy friend here. Yay! So I hope this will going to work. We will try and test out.